Zoto Abantu, the first thing that comes to mind when I think of her is a stripper.
Naked, actually.
The first thing that pops up when I think about Zoto Abantu is getting the money, doing whatever you need to do to get the money.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to the second season of Behind the Story right here on MTV Base. My name is Pearl Tusi. I am the real Black Pearl, and we are not playing games this season. We're kicking it off on a very, very high note. You know, Sisi, or fabulous, you know, Sisi, or controversial, you know, Sisi, or ngasabi luto, you know, sisters Jela, who's gonna make sure that tonight, you and everyone watching the show tonight is entertained. And if you want to join the conversation, it's really easy. We are at MTV Base South. Make sure you hashtag Behind the Story. I'm at Pearl Tusi, and she is Zotwa Bantu.
Thank you, girl. Thank you.
How are you,
I'm
gorgeous?
Okay, sweetie. Thank you.
Are you good?
I am.
Usiphethe kahle?
Sengizoziphatha kahle. Sengikwazi ukuhlala nawe.
But you know ukuziphatha kahle kwena?
There's no such thing as uziphatha kahle.
Really?
I think abantu ba-actor ngathi baziphethe kahle then behind closed doors. So mina ngiloye mini, everyone knows ukuthi ngenzani.
Well, it's so nice to finally ngihlale phansi nawe sixoxe.
Thank you so much.
The first time I met you was in a club, if I remember. It was Tira's birthday.
Yeah, but behind the scenes, we MTV Base, Mnet.
There's also that. But the first time I definitely spoke to you was, or watched you in action properly, was at Tira's birthday party at that place. It's taboo. So, and there I got to really see you wenza into zakho, and it was quite interesting. And I judged her because on that night, I didn't judge her. I was like watching with her when I batwati. So her thing is, I don't wear makeup. Ngumuntu wenu, ngenza kanje, and I don't play games.
Namanje ngifakwe uwe.
Ufakwe yimi? Yes,
but
ubungasho ukuthi no.
Oh, okay.
Ubungasho ukuthi awufuni. Ngiyazi wena awutshelwa, but we'll talk about that a little later on the show. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
I want to start from the very beginning with your story, because I think you've blown up so quickly in this industry in terms of being in the public eye. And I want to get into that, but I want to start at the beginning. Ngifuna uqala ngokuthi wena ukhule eSoweto but bakuthole eThekwini. Awungitshele ngempilo yakho yala eSoweto.
Ngizalelwe eBaragwanath, ngikhulele eRockville Dlamini 2, ngafunda eSinawane Lenasia High. I failed my matric, ngasebenza at the Rock, ngasebenza as a debt collector. Then I eThekwini with my third company as in debt collector.
So back move bagusa eThekwini.
Yes.
To open a branch. Were you good at being a debt collector?
I'm good at everything.
What's the secret ukuba debt collector?
Ufuneka wenza umsebenzi wakho as in all the documents that you get ukuthi uphela thusi uphila overdebted. So sizomfonela sisayithatha imoto or sayithatha indlu yakhe.
Bakakubalekela awubalekele kwena?
No, asibalekeli thina. Then we have guys who will go to your house.
Bakuthole la ukhona.
Yeah.
Okay. And like early in your life, ukhule Soweto, walahlekelwa uma.
Yes.
Ngilahlekelwe nami uma, and leyo nto inkulu ikaffecte kanjani wena?
Ho kakhulu ngoba I left home when I was 16. Le nto engiyiyo is ile ngenze ukuthi njoba ngiphume ekhaya na 16 njoba ngisona namhlanje abantu they're saying I'm controversial, I'm this and that, whatever that they're saying on social media is because of that space or that love that I needed to get from my parents.
So awuthola ngani lo thando kubaza bakho?
No, my mom died when I was 11. So, no, angilitholanga kahle because, you know, families, they will raise you as they want, you know, but not with the mother love.
And ubaba wakho yena?
I never knew my father. Maybe nje ngiyajola naye estradini ngidibana naye. He was. I know, girl.
Oh my goodness. And ucabanga le nto iaffecte
everything.
Le ndlela ophila ngayo namhlanje? Kanjani?
No, not how I live. How I see things, how I attack life. I'm a go-getter, I'm strong, I'm not affected by life. Ngivuka ngihappy, but the will of me ukuthi ngibe strong is because I know I have no one. So I'm always having a gun in my hand, as in yimi, you know, I have to survive no matter what.
Bekuyikuphi ekhaya uma engasekho ubaba engekho?
Ekhaya mina noma besihlala eLens, Elenasia. Yeah, I'm the only child. Yeah. Then after my mom passed away, then I moved to Soweto. Yeah, Gugogo. That's where yonke into, you know, yonke into nje, you know, ufihlela unsipho, ufihlela amaqanda awu-2 or unikezwe iqanda eli-1 nje leyo mpilo nje. Yeah, that's how I left ukuthi awu ngiyabona la ukuthi no, kuyafana mos. I might as well find my own eggs in the streets. Yeah.
Mauhamba wathuyaphi noma washo ukuthi uyahamba?
To friends, no, I didn't say. I know maybe become to Petro stage, but look at me, you know, I'm not, I was hungry for impilo. I've stayed with friends. I wouldn't say boyfriends, but with boyfriends, I will just sleep with them. They will give me money in the morning, then I will survive, you know. Renta, or sometimes maybe my friends, then I will rent a garage or room. Then in Zojola, your rich guys, you know. Yes. Then in the morning, bangniga mavuso. That's what they call it now.
Okay.
Amavuso. Yeah.
Amavuso. Mina na bengalazo klazo lokam.
Yeah.
Uzodwa Libram, ubevela abe uzodwa abantu emsebenzini noma ubumbeka bekusasha fierce wakho ubumbekela ukuthi mase uyogroova.
Emsebenzini benguntombazane yomsebenzi uzodwa Rebecca Libram. Then uzodwa abantu uze ngokuthi abantu they will complain about me, they will diss me, they will even noma before ningenza famous nina guys, you know, being on the papers, media, I would go out, but people they were curious about me, but abantu bengithanda, you know, which you know this girl uyaziphilela. Then Uzodwa was born like that. I wouldn't say Uzodwa was hiding as in being Sasha face, no. Bekhona because ngiphila iqiniso, ngiphila impilo ya noma ubani, but I know sibeka iglass lokwenza ngathi si right or si perfect, which ayikho nje leyo nto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ngifunda ukuthi wena ubufika usebenze and then ifika i-month end imali yakho uhamba nayo masukhokheliwe uqonde eyadini noma kwaMax uyogroovela khona.
Yes, I will take myself to all these places. Ngithanda ikasi.
Yeah.
Angithanda indawo classy because I can't behave classy. I have this ghetto in me, you know.
What is classy? Because also lama definition akhiwa abantu ukuthi ehlisa abanye abantu.
Yeah, I know
that's
you know why I'm proud to say there's classy and there's ghetto, because it's the things that have been said to me, maybe how I behave or how I dress or how I look. So I really don't know. Good question that what does it mean? I don't know too, but I believe maybe umuntu ozitshelayo ukuthi ungcono komunye umuntu, but we share the same door, we share the same chair, we share the same drink. You can buy that as I wouldn't say the brand. Lesiphuza ngisiphuzayo. Ungasiphuza. So yini le different phakathi kwalo muntu loyo oku Instagram na ku Twitter, you know. So ngizama ukubenzela ngconywana ukuthi you know what, if I'm not classy, I'd rather be ghetto, so I'll carry that drink. You can have your champagne if it makes you feel like you are better. So bonanani phambili, you know.
Yeah. So I want to go back again quickly kule nto ukuthi ubuhlale uzodwa abantu ne even usasebenza kwi corporate industry masebeye kanjalo.
Yeah.
Uzodwa uhluke kanjani ngisho wabantu from back then, because I'm sure le industry kwenza ukuthi usiqoqe futhi le industry I'm sure alawela ukuthi umane ube uwe ngaso sonke isikhathi nginamanga noma ukhona umehluko noma ukho.
Awukho umehluko kangako because emsebenzini benginikezwa i-desk ne-computer ne-landline. Mina I always knew ukuthi guys no, hey, I feel like ngivalelwe ebhodleleni in that desk, in a computer, ngibambe ifoni. So bathi zodwa ufuna ukwenzani ngathi no, I'd rather go be the one who knocks, as in you skipped your installments, you understand, if awenzi so sizoyenza so bengithanda ukuba
Leyo nto ingakuphathi kabi ngoba phela nawe ubumuntu owakhule ngenayo imali.
Yeah.
So manje musa kwabanye abantu abangenamali ibikahle like bengakuphathi kabi ukuthi labantu ba-affecteke kanjani because you know what it's like to not have money.
Yes.
So uzwelo bekumele ube nalo noma ubungenalo yini.
Benginalo uzwelo but that's why emakhaya ngicela ukuni-advisa on this. Yabona uZodwa njoba avuka agcobisa ivaseline hayi ngoba akanayo imali. Yabona njoba uZodwa she's still keeping her hair, same face without makeup. Angifuni kuyothenga le make kanti after 5 years nizodibana uZodwa ukuthi la Peruvian yakhe bi 18,000. Then manje after 2 years the fame is gone. So kuthiwa manje oh ubuyele back to her hair. So it goes to umsebenzi wami. That's why whatever that's been said about me, I'm not intimidated ukuthi ngiphuze lesiphuzo sami esu 25 rand wena uphuza ibhodlela lakho le 3,000. I don't feel any competition or threatened because I know ukuthathelwa imoto. I know ukuthi abantu sabathathela izindlu zabo. It's because baphila amanga. You understand? So emakhaya benginzwela nasinifonela then lezo zinto zenu zithathwe
ukhona nje ufuna ukuxolisa kuyena uthi ngiyaxolisa ukuthi
no angeke ngixolise ngoba uzifakile wazi kahle ukuthi afford but ngoba uthanda izinto ufuna ukuvela eTVini you actela so no go back to your basics find out ukuthi yini la if usafuna ukuhlala ekhaya hlala ekhaya don't go to ama townhouse ngoba ulapho kuleyo townhouse uZodwa udendli yakhe maybe erentisa uhlala edrobheni eDurban eflatini uthi oh Aveslolo lo girl akanamali uZodwa ke hayi uZodwa unayo imali ukuthi ake ngiphiliswa manga yini. We've seen celebrities going down then after 5 years bathi ebe kwi townhouse 18,000 manje seka kwi flat le 3,000 mina ngikwi flat le 4,000 nginama flat 4,700 engwalisile. I didn't buy them ngoba lizothi umafika izolo nisela nama flat. No, I didn't buy them. I leased them then I opened them for student accommodation. I ngiphila impilo the way bengiphila phela. Omnye umuntu angathi ngiyahlupheka but yonke into yami in order. Akho bank ezoza kimi ithi thatha indlu yami. Akho bank ezothatha imoto yami. Yeah, because
ngifuna ukuthi sibaleke manje seyitolo ne but before siya lapho I think ngifuna ukuvala ngoba ngithanda ukuhlonipha abantu ade bekhona ne abantu abakhulisile. Ngicela nje uchazele in memory of your mother because she brought you here. And I think it's always important to just think about her and let her be a part of this to a certain extent. Ngicela ukuchaza nje ebantwini ukuthi uma wakho umkhumbula umuntu onjani.
Oh, you're making me cry. My mom was a beautiful woman. Ngime ngaye everyone that's saying me kahle. Ngime njengaye. She raised me so well. I know God. I know I lost her when I was young, but the love, the realness, to be you, to be real, she has instilled those things that no matter what, where you go, no one will take anything from you because I taught you before I die. So my mom loved me, no matter what the world says.
Thank you for sharing that part of your life with us. I'm touched. Guys, ngihleli ke la noZodwa wabantu sizoqhubeka sixoxe. I'm very excited ukuthi abe khona la and it's an honor to have you.
Thank you so
Everybody
much.
has a story.
Thank you.
No matter what you see emaphepheni, ku TV, uzwani ngabantu emgaqweni, wonke umuntu unendaba eyalala kude and that's why we are here. So please, ningayo ndawo sonithola khona manje kweyitolo. Just after the break, we'll continue with Behind the Story with Zodwa wabantu. Welcome back to Behind the Story. Thank you for staying with us as we continue with uDaba kaZodwa wabantu. And now that we've gotten past the emotional stuff, I think it's time to have fun. Sinkhombisa abantu ukuthi ubani ke today. Sesikhulumile ukuthi uphuma kuphi but today. Umuntu okusize ukuthi ube khona la. Ngiyazi uba aboMJ naboMax akade bek-invite baze bakujabulela ngale ndlela yokuthi okay yabo lo sisi lo uyas-entertainela abantu ithi singamcharge ukuthi aphuze ithi singamcharge ukuthi abe nefani yakhe because uletha abantu ngoba uzodwa wabantu and then kwagcine correct manje wrong wafika kuTira wabona ukuthi yabo ziyawa la ithi ngimsign lo muntu abe managed by Afrotainment ngimkhulise ngimandise abusiswa ngako. So uTira, what does he mean to you?
Whatever that I have is because of Utira. I was famous with no money. So Utira is the man. Yeah. Angithi uyini kimi. Yes, he's my boss. He's not my friend. I can't wake up and say, hey, Tira, skoko sami. You know, but I know ngamfonela about anything mayelana nomsebenzi or you know, yonke into nje unomsebenzi phakathi uyazithanda ukusebenza too much.
Yeah. Unomusa uTira ngiyamazi unomusa omningi kakhulu and uyathanda ukufundisa abantu. He loves empowering people. So shout out to Makoya Bearings.
I know he's a friend.
Ngimthanda kanjani angifuni ngaye. So wena waqala ukuthi ungasebenzi bowuzigroovela.
Yes.
And then waqala wacharge ukusebenza noTira ubuthi 5 to 15 eqaleni uma useDurban imali awusho ukuthi no uya negotiate ngayo ne sesiyakwazi lokho. And then 35 to 40,000 is what you charge today. Not sometimes you go to 25 whatever. Don't you worry ukuthi ama client azoxabana alwe or aqamba manga ngoba yazi ukuthi imali angekuyijikisa.
No. It's strictly 25, 35 to 40. Now ku 25 is because uTira was uphele uye wathi no yazi ngiyenza gathering lapha uzodwa umntwanami ufuna umbona as you are mom. Then you know ngeke ukhokhele uzodwa 35 while you are girls. So kwenzeka kanjalo because you are friends with Tira just like with everyone who industry.
Ama regular moso yakwazi ukunegotiate nawo ne.
If baqale bayokhokha lo 35 or 40, yes, we can go. Ay mara no 25 no.
But mina into engifuna ukuyazi ne ngoba imali usukhulume kaningi ngayo ukuthi awusabi ukuthi abantu igebengu criminals are going to target you if they know ukuthi okay uzodwa siyamazi ukuthi unemali. Kuyazi ukuthanda
bazwe bathi what if ngicamba manga niyayibona nini ngibona
Kodwa uzodwa akaqamba manga nje siyazi.
Nibona ngiblingi mina nginayo. Ngifake ivaseline indwele zami, you know? Yeah.
And abantu abakuthandayo akube ngathi show off ukuthi yabagabisela ukuthi nemali abaphathe awuzixaka ukuthi leyo nto baphatha kanjani?
No. Abantu anti bebathi yenza mahala, abantu bebathi ngisidakwa, abantu so lokho abakushilo, this is the time that I really need to show off. Because they've said so much, you understand? So they must know. I know kubuhlungu mara nizoba strong. Avelisile nje futhi. Nje nina nje I don't worry about you guys. Sorry ngixolela.
Okay.
No.
Uzodwa nangu ne ngifuna nimbone ukuthi ahola lento ayiholayo ingoba unjani. So ngicela usukume ushayele i-turn around sikubone kahle ukuthi today ungubani. Okay, nazo-ke
35 wami lo.
U-35 wakho lo baby.
40, yes.
Awusabluti.
Angisabluti noma ningathi ngubi. Mara this is my 35.
Mina ngiyasaba ushaya ivosha ingubo yami imfishane so ngicela ungifundise ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani.
Nay.
Ayey. Okay, so impahla yakho ne?
Yeah.
Mawucela i-designer uyadesignela noma uye-store?
Bayidesignela.
I-brief kazodwa abantu for impahla ithini?
Sometimes nangithengile into maybe a shop then ngiyayidabula mina then ngibona ukuthi yabo i-material khona ngifuna ipesheke to this my designer ayenze but they know it has to be sexy.
So i-brief it's revealing.
Yeah, sexy, revealing.
Why uzodwa abantu afuna ukureveala?
Anti bathi ngimubi ebusweni. So kuthiwa ngimuhle enyaweni.
So
inyawo zami zengisebenza. Yebo.
Osabi.
Ngisaba bani. Okay, umuntu engimowayo. Ngasaba labantu basemakhaya. Ngiyathanda emakhaya mara nginisabi.
Okay.
Ngizomjwayela. Ayiko. Oyizala.
mina nansi inkinga enginayo nawe ne
Yeah.
ukuthi change.
Yeah.
Hlala entweni eyi-1.
Okay.
When I met you, what awufaka makeup.
I don't have makeup, Sithando sami. Anginayo nje, angiyazi nokuthi yini makeup.
But uyasiconfuse manje ngoba one day uyafaka but uthi awuyigold. So
Nangisebenza. If ngishuthe into eningakayiboni esazovela eTV, uyabona njengoba nangiphuma la, ove ngizobe ngigijima ngifuna ukuyolala ngoba ngivuse ekseni. Angeke ngigibele iUber. Then athi sisi, uzodwa Wi-Fi makeup. Akazi ukuthi ngibuye kuyosebenza nana ngithi. So ngifike ngiwashe ehotela.
okay.
Yeah.
And so mase thina faka iwiki la, ufaka iphenki la uzalifaka.
I wonder iwiki Nkosi yami ngeke. Ave right ngalezo nywele zakho sisi wami. Ave right.
So
you know there was this thing ukuthi bosisi why ni feel ni comfortable ukuthi naniphathi kwabantu nigcoke lesigcoko seni but nanifika endlini nisikhumule. Yini nifuna sibone le ndoda manje endlini. No, I'm comfortable. Indaba, you know why I have a problem with those abakufaka lesigcoko. Bacanga ukuthi bangcono, you know. Nami ngasithenga isigcoko zibe u20. Ngeke nje uloku ngibiza uthi ngimubi. Nifana nje nami, isele niyazikhohlisa during the day, but nawufika endlini uzifanela nje nami. Yes.
So abekho abantu o close nabo abakhuluma lezo zinto ngoba sesiyakwazi ukuthi when people from the outside say mean things to you, you
Yes.
don't care.
Yeah.
But umuntu o close, you say umntanakho athi your son, how old is he again?
12.
12.
Yeah.
Athi but mama ayingiphethe kahle lento oyenzayo.
Oh, mtanami. Angeke ngithi you'll never say mama or why or this. He's my son. And I'm a street mom, you know. I'm a ghetto mom. So we understand ukuthi siyaphuma siyangena le angeke uyithole uzoyithola. You know, umntwanami.
Yeah.
Umntwanami. Ngiyamtshela nje konke ngimenzela kona. Ngiyenzela yena.
Yeah.
I think maybe when he turns 18 futhi bazobe bemmele abobani ukuthi awu mama akho bheka le video this and that, but at least maybe nge-birthday yakhe maybe ngamthengela iUno, you know, I decide ukuthi uyanyusa ifastero ukuthi abheke ukuthi ama-haters athini or athi oh mama ungithengele iUno ukuthi ngivule iwindow ngingamameli. You know, uzozikhethela. This is my life. I will never live for my son's life ukuthi uzothini. It's mine.
Baba mgcona esikoleni uthini?
Ooh, you'll be surprised. Transport yakhe. Sometimes maybe ucela ifoni udrive because ifoni yakhe uyayishiya ekhaya. Uba nayo only ngama weekends. So nefonele udriver maybe echomela abangani bakhe, then they'll be like, "Hi, Zoto abantu." With transport yakhe. No, there's no such thing. It's how you think, how you live
But
your life.
abantwana can be cruel esikoleni khulukazi. So awusabo bangayuza wena ukuthi bam-attack ngesinye isikhathi.
Hayi uzoba strong. Nathi nami ngifike la ngifike khona.
Ngaleyo ndlela.
Ngiphume ekhaya na 16, so naye maybe itafula like yofuneka lideke.
So ufunde kanjani ukuthi azivikele kulawo ma-opinion wabanye abantu?
Ngiyakhuluma naye njoba sihlezi so. Ngikhuluma naye si right.
Yeah.
Ezeni phasa uzoba naye yonke into oyifunayo.
Okay.
Kimi.
Okay.
Omunye umuntu ungabi nendaba naye.
So ke wena wasitshela indaba zethu and ngifuna uqala la kodwa kuqala. So ngifuna into eziningi. So uzodwa ngathi u-evolvile uchangile useyayifaka i-makeup kodwa iphuruvile ngekayifake kodwa iphinda ngekalifake ne.
No.
So kodwa uke wathi wena bulala nabafana. And then into engavunya abantu abaningi ngesinye isikhathi and mina angizeli ukuzokujaja ne because bakhona abangakhulumi ngayo into engakhulunywa ngayo and wena
behind closed doors.
Yeah, uba honest wena ngempilo yakho and I think
I've been there.
Uma kuyi problem at least ukhona umuntu oshoyo ukuthi this is why ngila.
Oh, yes.
So why bo expect imali ekseni?
Hayibo. Ngikhule ngihlupheka bese uzongithatha nje la ngihlezi khona bese nje ungisa eMelrose Ark.
So bumthanda obudayisa.
Bengamthandi. I even said on that interview ukuthi whether uthi bengidayisa or hayi no uthando yini uthando uthandana kangakhi nje wena yini uthando yini nje uthando
Umntana wami igama lakhe uthando nginothando lwami.
but yini nje uthando sihlezi nje la lukhona do you believe alukho sana some just work hard alukho and uye emfaneni ngoba wena sofuna lento ephakathi kwemilenze yakhe.
So bekuba khona iprice ukuthi this is the price.
No, not in that way.
You know,
not in that way because I know emakhaya bazoyithatha bayenze a big issue, you know. Like guys, mina ubungishela. Then ngikutshela ukuthi yabo mayi 25, irent izongihlula and anginakudla. or anginamali yokuya emsebenzini, but I wouldn't say ngoba bese ngisebenza. Like take me from 16 ngoba bengakasebenzi. So bungishayela khona mani phela bebendlula nje umbona ukuthi lo uyandlula. Nami ngidlula naye nje ngizifunela u10,000 kuye.
And leyo mali ukuyiphatha kahle, ubuyidla kalula.
Yeah, kufanele ngirentele, ngithenge impahla, ngidle. That's why ngila. That's why ngila. If ibengi
And I regret yonke leyo nto.
I don't Sithando Sami, I don't.
Would you advise other girls ukuthi benze kanjalo?
No, I wouldn't. Umuntu nomuntu une path yakhe.
Yeah.
Abanye bakhule kahle, abanye bano cheese right now efridgini. Mina I never had it easy. Really njoba ngishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi benganayo insipho okugeza. So
usuyekile manje ngoba usuyakwazi ukuzenzela imali yakho.
Kudala. Maybe I was 18 to not 23. You know? Yeah.
Uyafisa ukuba nomntana wentombazane?
No, I'm done. I'm done, man.
So asithi uke waba nice. So asithi umfana wakho ubaphatha kanjalo abanye abantu besifazane?
Yeah. Ubaphatha kanjani?
Ubaphatha ngokuthi okay lo ngizomnika imali ngizolala naye.
Hayibo, phela it's because I Zodwa Abantu is talking about these things. Yabona ninganikeza reality show. Ngahamba nale emalokishini. You will see ukuthi at least ikhulunywa umuntu hayi ngoba ngichangeile or ngizenza ngcono or now I'm talking about it because I have changed. It's happening. It's so sad, you know. Kunabantu who want to travel with me kuma bookings because bafuna to get close to the celebrities engisebenza nabo. Sodwa nje nangashelwa uphel, you know, ngivuke nje nophel, you know. Really, emakhaya niyazi leyo mpilo. Ngoba yimi I know nizoyikhuluma nikhulume nifake nezispice this and that. No guys, okay, let me put it like this. Let me say this guy's name. Bengijola abantu aba powerful, you know. One of them, I remember ngilandwa umuntu wakhe at the Rock. I was dating uMandla Mthembu. Yes, ebengenzela yonke into. So do you think I was going around? I'm a taxi driver. No. It was exclusive. You know, ngithola umuntu lo right. Ungiphatha kahle.
So
you know uMandla Mthembu back in the days. Bamba Lamborghini. Nje, you know, ngithathela ifridge.
And why akhethe wena? Why akuthanda wena?
Nginogazi phela yabona noma ngathi ngimubi. Nginogazi. Nginogazi. Mina ngijoli ukuthiwa bathi ubhizi nabafana. Hayi. No, abafana. Hayi. Nje into kunakekelayo nje yazini uthi abave bekhuluma kakhulu. Ngabe bayazi.
So umuntu okade noMandla Mthembu ngaleso sikhathi ubeyazi lento?
Yes, yeah.
And ubengana stress?
Uye wangiconfront. Uye weza like give me yabo way back.
Anishayananga?
No.
Naxoxa nje?
No, I think it was more of a way uZodwa begcoka isupheka. I remember my iteki lami lokusebenza nje belincolile yazichera selokishini njoba ngiyilokishi namanje. Then uphel njobe uphel afike like uyangibona mina ngubani, you know, nginemali yonke like eklasa mina as in mina ngisidwedwe but ke endodweni unamanga nje nawe upheli nje endodeni like kimi indoda you can be classy uZodwa uthi she's so ghetto. But then classy and ghetto zihambelana.
Si feel the same sonke ngaphakathi.
Endodeni. That's why ngikutshela ukuthi noma bangazitshela babele phezulu but endodeni.
Niyazwana namhlanje?
Yes, shame. Yes, I think we've
no
learned.
Sisi.
Yes.
No Sisi noma no Bhuti.
Yeah.
uMandla wamyaka ngoba imali isiphelile noma iyaphela into yakho.
I think wavele wanyamalala nje shame bengemiyeke phela nami
ngakaqedi naye.
Yaphela.
Oh, okay.
Survive bokusetshenzwa ke.
Zazaningi into engisafuna ukukhuluma ngazo kodwa kwaze kwakuningi.
Yeah, bengazi athi ngicabanga ukuthi niyangazi.
Kanti asikwazi girl.
Ngiyazi.
Hayi ke manifuna ukumazi ke uZodwa Abantu even more. #behind the story at MTV Bay South at Pearl2C. You'll find her on Instagram as uZodwa Libram. And yeah, that's her actual real surname. So ufake leyo khona. We'll catch you after the break. Let me gather myself and yeah, join the conversation. I'll be joining you as well and letting you know what happened behind the scenes during the break. But you know what? Stay with us. We'll see you in a second.
Thank
you. Wow, babe.
Zodwa Abantu represents freedom, you know, and like freedom of expression and a person being comfortable in their own skin.
I think she represents being free.
Being free, you know, to who you are and expressing yourself.
But she's very happy in her own skin. So I think that's one thing that we can take from her. Just being good in your own skin, being happy about what you look like, and yeah.
Welcome back to Behind the Story right here on MTV Base. And we're about to get into the thick of it all with Uzodwa Abantu. Hashtag Behind the Story at MTV Base South. I'm at Paul Tusi, and I'm going to get right into it because we don't have a lot of time and there's still so much that I want to talk about. So, Zodwa, something people don't know about you, and I want to address this quickly, is you've mentioned amaflet. So, say you are Lisa or Ting.
Yeah.
How are you making money out of those?
Angeke ngiwathenge ngoba ngiyaprofitha.
Yeah.
Yabo i-2 bedroom ingenzela 9,000, then i-monthly installment
But
4,000.
Maungai
No, it's waste. Unless nginga-owner one or two, but angeke ngihlale eThekwini.
No, sengisho ukuthi uwathengile but you are rentisa awakho.
I'm listening, not owning them.
Okay. It seems like ukuthi we understand ukuthi fame khona la iphela khona noma khona kuzokhona omunye mhlambe uzodwa or uzolimala or how long are you planning ukuthi lento uqhubeke nayo?
I've said it, ngiya-retire next year.
Retire wenzani ma retire?
I will see myself.
Uthi ama fans akho enzeni
I
ngasekho?
always have a plan. Sizobona ngabo because now I'm busy with acting.
Yeah.
You know, yeah. Maybe nga-retire as Uzodwa Abantu on stage. Maybe ngibe exclusive. Maybe ngicharge to have Uzodwa Abantu ngoba uretire but ukuthi ube nayo ngoba ngintshontshela because I'm so busy with other things.
What's Zodwa Abantu's next dance apart from Ivosho ozovosha nje until
I know Ivosho sangisebenzela nge-USA nge-19 zaka-April, nge-Australia ngo-May. Ngiyabezwa nje uyasibhora manje ale Vosho.
Yeah.
Isanhlula namanje. Until you get it right, when I come back from Australia and USA, maybe singakhuluma into engcono.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Uzodwa Abantu angaba yini Uzodwa Abantu? I mean, do you not feel ukuthi mhlambe abantu bangangakuthanda just because of your body? Because the way you dance, that's your talent.
Yeah.
But did you purposefully use your body to get ahead and you're not ashamed?
Yes, I use my body. Yabona, with this fame that I have, if it was about my face, ngabe sengiyi-face of what, ngabe sengithi.
I did my research and I found out that, okay, so you own a home, you're building a home for family.
Yeah.
And you've got these flats as well, you're raising your child.
For income.
And apparently, uzozenzela yakho ishisa-nyama, uzobe exclusive lapho kuleyo shisa-nyama kuphela noma
You know,
usayicabanga leyo?
Chisanyama, I've made a research and nail spread because ngibone i-market yakhona inhle isa grower but engabona ukuthi kunabo Pearl too singathi baza nzima kabe bane chisanyama ene swimming pool this and that so engathuka kancane ukuthi imali yami ngathi izophelela to competing ngoba nabo I think banemali kakhulu.
Yeah.
So I'm going manje, you know, angeke ngithi I'm going ngoba yebo ngiyathenga nyana inkomo angifuni ukuthi nithi ngithenga ifama ngoba nizothi ngithenge ifama bese nithumela ama journalists bathi sibonisa ama slip ale farm nizozithengela inkomo ezizoba nje egcekeni like eziluswe nje inkukhu imbuzi so as much as I'm making money if I decide ukuthatha ama 18,000 awuthu ngiphinde ngiede ezinye inkomo eziwu2 ngizoyenza kanjalo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa. So bekufanele ngiqale ngalento ne but ngizoyenza manje.
Okay.
Sihambile sayobuza abantu ukuthi bafisa ukwazi ini from wena ne.
Yeah.
So I think ngidlalele le video ke manje ubone ukuthi bathini. These are from your fans and from the streets and I want to you can respond to whichever question you choose to respond la ne.
Yeah.
Zodwa, would you go out with me once? Just net once.
The question I would definitely ask her, I think it's on everybody's mind. Are you really comfortable in doing the things you do? Is it just something that comes natural to you? Because I would like to just flaunt my skin everywhere and just show everything, all my parts, just like she does. Because I feel like she does it pretty dope. I'd like to ask her, like, what goes on in her mind? What's the mentality? What's the process that you take to actually do that? What's the process? Because it's pretty, like, surprising and cool because she's unique in it.
Okay, so she gets a lot of negative, like, vibes from people. So I'd ask her, like, how she's able to still bounce back from that and still give us all that all that positive energy that she always gives us. So that's one thing that I definitely ask her.
I would ask her why does she do what she does, you know, and why she look like that.
If ever I meet her, I'd love to know what inspired her taking the decision of being in this industry and doing what she does.
There you go.
Wow.
So-
There's no bad stuff, you know. They really understand
People
me.
just want to know.
Yeah, that one guy said, I wish I could do it. So bafuna nabo said that basaba ukuthi abantu bazothini.
Yeah.
It's who I am, you know. Even now, if we can say just Zota, take off everything and walk. I'm comfortable in my own skin.
Take off everything and walk.
Are you gonna pay me? So I know the painted thing is so taboo, you know, but there's so many women who don't wear panties. There's so many women who really want to be like me, but basaba umakhelwane.
Yeah.
Basaba ukuthi ubani uzothini. Abanye basaba ukuthengisa itamati to make a living ukuthi alala adlile nabantwana bakhe ngoba usaba umakhelwane. What I'm trying to teach anyone out there, hambo thengisa itamati. Yabo nami I'm reminded every day bathi Zodwa na uzophupha uzoyenzani. Guys, mina noma ngiphupha yabo manje ngoba uTiri ukwazi ukungifakela imali accountini yami enhle. Ngiyakwazi maybe ukuya ku doctor hayi ngoba ngibalance ngalo ya doctor yabo mina nase ngiphuma ngithi I retire ungabi nenkinga nami nongibona kwi government clinic be you kunabantu abagulayo abasaba ukuya clinic because umuntu usaba ukuthi bazothini you understand that's why media idibana nathi ekhambeni kwesikhathi bathi so uphuphile awunamali because you've changed how you were living. Live as how the fame found you.
Yeah.
So that noma so wenzekelani akubonakali you still the same girl.
Yeah.
Yabo mina I got famous because I was carrying that drink. Beka manje.
But uzenzela wena still or
You
wenzela ukuthi bangakhulumi kakhulu nabo.
Ngizenzela mina that's my drink. I love it. I afford it. Ngiyay afford.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
ngicela ukukhuluma indaba yepaint mina ngiyalithanda ipaint. Just out of a hygiene, ngithanda
Yeah.
protect into yami yabo.
Okay.
So wena awuyisabeli yini le umlingo osebenzayo wena?
No.
What's this magic?
Down there is down there.
What do you mean?
Down there is down there. I know there's vaginal creams. Yeah, I do clean. I know, but oh, hamba lo nento yakhe nje awazi nokuthi ivuke kuphi.
Yeah.
No, clean lezi.
Umfana wakho engasashada nomuntu ogqokisa kwakho ohamba njengawe awuna nkinga awuna stress.
Sithanda sami yabo mina uzodwa then my son.
Yeah.
My son uzoba into ayifuna ukuba yiyo. You can tell your girl. Umthengele ne helicopter, your girl, uthando. Nathi ufuna i-taxi driver.
Hayi ngaqali.
Ngiyokwenza lutho. So you see you appel.
Yeah.
Uthando. Rather instill good values, love most importantly. You see I was crying because you touched love on my mom's name. You understand? Because emhlabeni awusekho uthando. On social media awusekho uthando. Vele funeka uvuke nawe with that attitude ukuthi yazeni ngiyavuka I'm going out there. Yo angifuna ukuqedelela kuyo. So
into eshiwo Celeste Ntula ayikuphathanga kabi.
No, you know. Yabo mina na ukhuluma something.
Yeah.
Ngiyakuphendula there angifike endlini ngithi yazini ngabe bengithe uCeleste Ntuli. No, I felt ukuthi ungijwayela kabi because she's in the same industry. She's doing her, I'm doing me. Bengezwe ukuthi omunye umuntu osestradini. Ewasestradini, you understand ukuthi they'll never get a chance abe ku MTV base.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So uCeleste Ntuli, she has her own, you know, things. Then wazovuka nje kuseni athi uzodwa she's so disgusted. Ubani yena? Azothi kunamantombazane who are not given so much attention with the work that they do. Then there's someone, as in me, or nikezwa coverage, cause the women who dance without panties, like Sisi, bungenwe yini.
Okay, ngiyakuzwa Celeste uzwile ngiqala ngesicela sakho babes but ngingedwa ngokugcwala manje. Okay, I know. At least you've been honest. For me that's the most important thing.
Yeah, mina ngikhala endlini ngithi upheli. I wish you understand. Then I gossip. Sengifika maybe kwi management ngithi yazi upheli this and that. Mina pheli ngizokutshela 99 ngoba ungisukela. Do you think mina ngakuphaphela? Mina ngeke. Angeke noma ngezwe bakhuluma ngawe. Ngizothi mina in my eyes uPearl, she's a woman. I follow her umsebenzi wakhe this and that. Ukuthi ngiyazi une beef nobani bani inini angihlangene mina, to me I respect you are Pearl. Lo ne beef nawe uzozibona when it comes to me.
Why did you say no to taking a picture with Skolopat?
It's my choice. Now ungala nje nasiqeda la uthi awufuni uzodwa ke gqokuphenti mina sengude kabi. I have movies and ngihola this much. You understand?
So is that Nansen Velen were you guys already not okay?
No,
Nani right
that's
before?
the day when everything was thrown out as in like.
But why did you make that choice? What was your choice?
It's a choice. Everyone makes a choice, Lave.
But why on that particular day did you make that choice?
Oh, maybe ngivuke ngaphuzanga ikofi. Serious.
Ima awuthandi into ayirepresentayo, awuthandi impahla zakhe.
I don't want to say anything about her. Anyway, I said this. I won Drama Queen of the Year, so there's no more Skolopat. Let's not talk about her. When's Angie like any gig? Mona with celebrities, shows? No. I'm the one. I'm in.
Just
keep mina. I know. Mina ngiyophupha nase ngithi I retire. Hayi nje.
Back to indaba yepaint sesidlulile ke kulabo.
Okay.
Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi mawufika esikhathini ngaleso sikhathi senyanga ngoba uthe awunalo nelodwa, so wenza njani?
Really, women emakhaya.
Wenzani? Mina
Tampons.
But iyalenga mos intambo yakhona.
Hayi yami yabona with this thing esinayo la kumnandi khona. Nasithinto ngibophelela khona ngithi ihlale nje ithi. Like,
are you serious?
Come on. Like anti uzamubona semakhaya ukuthi angeke ilenge ngathi manje I'm stupid. Ngiyayibophelela ke lapha ya, you know?
Ihlale nje ibe still.
Yes.
And uhambe uyoshaya for sure futhi ona stress.
For sure. Okay bona wena into yakazodwa? No. Awukaze. Bathi bazokhuluma engathi bayayibona engathi bakhe bathi nayi.
Okay, there's so much more I want to discuss. I think we should have had a 2-hour special with Uzodwa, but this asikho, unfortunately. Quickly, I want you to say yes or no. Or
Yeah.
Wu ongafuni umshado noma ucabanga ukuthi khona uzokushada?
Angufuni.
Awufuni.
Yeah.
That's fair enough. And finally,
Yeah.
and I'm so happy that you came, by the way.
Thank you so much.
What is next for Uzodwa Libram or Uzodwa Abantu?
I have my emails, Afrotainment, there's a movie. We're waiting for dates. Then I just shot my second drama series. Then there's a third, Futi, Afrotainment. We don't have dates for shooting. Then, yeah, I'm traveling. Ngiyahamba ngiyemboma Zambia ngijikiswe ngibuye the following day ngoba ngiqoshiwe. But Uzodwa is traveling Africa yonke, Uzodwa uye USA, Uzodwa uye Australia. Yonke into ifinalize Afrotainment as in pick up to Terra. So ngicabanga njengomuntu ongafundanga ukuthi I live my day as I wake up, ngiyaphefumula, nginamaqanda u2, nginesinkwa, nginerama, then I let the universe give me what's mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As Uzodwa Abantu, uma khona abantu abangakufuni, then ibapha abantu Uzodwa athandwa yibona.
I would say abantu aba-relate kimi. I think we all have that kasi thing in us because asikhulelanga emasabapeni. Yes, we have worked up ukuthi sibe la sikhona manje, but we have that thing. Instead that abanye imali bamoldile, but that inner thing yaphuma nje ukuthi asilokishi.
To the people who don't want you in Zambia and Zimbabwe,
it's only the law. As in maybe lawyer 1976 section 54. I abantu.
But they say you don't represent the Christian values.
Ngihlangana mina nesonto lakho. You understand?
And
abantu who relate to me, who drink, who go out, who have problems, who wanna distress, they relate to me.
Iyajabulisa wena ukuthi ngabona amanye ama-cartoon newa apostwa wena futhi ukuthi khona abafazi aba-uncomfortable ukuthi amadoda abo afuna ukuzokubona.
Oh yes.
Like people's husbands are being chained at home because of you.
Yeah, you know, I have someone that I'm dating and I love him. I know kunabantu besifazane abangisabayo because amadoda wabo they think azongishela or ngizolala nabo. If ungizonda, yes, you should be scared of me. If angizondi, I will respect your man, I will respect everything emalana nawe nendoda yakho.
Okay.
But now ngizonda, I think ila ngifuna ukubonisa ukuthi yabo njoba upheli and njoba uyi-yellow bone and ungithatha kancane mala ngakwazi ukungena ejuvethini lakho.
Okay.
Ngithule futhi ngikubuke kanje ngithi avuzitshela.
But ubuyazi.
You don't.
Thank you so much for coming to speak to
Thank
me
you
and
so
being,
much.
as always, so open and honest.
Thank
It's quite
you.
refreshing to have guests like yourself.
Thank you so much.
Because I also can be like that. So thank you so much. I hope God continues to bless you and your son and the rest of your
Yes.
family abundantly. I'm sure the
you.
country also wishes you nothing but the best. You've entertained us, you've been honest with us, you love us,
Yeah.
and we completely love and appreciate that. And I
Thank
wish
you
you
so
nothing
much.
but the absolute best. And that was Behind the Story with Uzodwa Wabantu right here on MTV Base. Make sure that you continue the conversation at MTV Base South, at Pearl Tusi on Instagram. She is Zodwa Libram. And guys, hashtag Behind the Story, by the way. Thank you so much for joining us again. We are back for yet another explosive season, as you can see. And it's going to stay, I hope, at this type of level. And it's going to be really good. So there's a couple more episodes coming through. You are going to have fun with us. We will see you next week. My name is Pearl Tusi, and I absolutely adore you. Have a lovely evening further.